Musa Kaula. Now let's continue. Back to Wanasesi and his private jet situation.
What's happening?
We apologize, sir. We hit a flock of birds, but we will arrive in South Africa on time using the backup engine.
Yes. Kenya kilo chokofala ke saja marago a mosadi wa ka. Yes.
Wanasesi got lucky. We'll see him when he lands in South Africa. On the other news.
Tonight, we are honored to host our country's leader, the Honorable President Ndamos, to discuss leadership, business, and the nation's future.
Mr. NFI, what do you think about FBK Market Direction Signal Service that's currently open for sign-up?
Listen here, I am the president of the country, and I don't like that RCG boy, and Jason Noah too. But to answer you, those signals are actually good, and I recommend them.
Thank you for the response.
We heard you're attending Abashwe's funeral this coming weekend. What can you say about the situation at hand?
Let's leave funeral things and drink alcohol.
Thank you so much for joining us.
The president is right about the signals, though. They're fire.
MONCHO, have you ever wondered why I'm called a scammer by the public?
I have been asking myself the same question.
You see, Detective Rydell used me to do his dirty work, and now I'm arrested, since he promised to take me out. I am starting to realize he was getting paid by brokers to ruin people's lives, and I'm still here, broke as hell.
Meet #1 street hustler, Bobby Chronicles. That's his nickname. He has been offered 10 million to do one simple job. That is, sneak into the mortuary and steal Abashwe's body before the funeral. Bobby Chronicles has done it. Now he does as instructed, delivers the body, and they're done with phase 1. Now, here is phase 2. The body is being used for a ritual by a very powerful man. He's about to arrive now with his 100 million car. Hope you saw his name written on the car. There's a powerful saying which says, if you live by the sword, you die by the sword. Now that's how Abashwe got rich in the first place. And this man is taking back the power he once gave him.